Kung sawa ka na sa fog sa Tagaytay tuwing weekend, tara dito. May pagkain, may kultura, at may vibes na pang 1800s. Let's go! Welcome to Sulyap Gallery Café, where food is vintage but not expired. The houses are older than your great lola, and the vibes, absolutely immaculate. Hey there mga kapasyalan! Welcome back to the channel, where we explore exciting places, eat everything in sight, and occasionally have existential crisis in heritage homes. So heto na nga mga kapasyalan, Sulyap Gallery Café is in San Pablo City, Laguna. A place na hindi lang pang Instagram, it's a full experience of Filipino culture, tradition, and colonial history, all in one charming nostalgic place. It is like living in a period hacienda. So buckle up your barong and let's do this! Sulyap means glimpse, and that's exactly what you get. A glimpse of the glorious past. Not chismis past. I mean real deal Spanish colonial, hardwood and capiz window kind of past. Originally restored by a man with impeccable taste and the patience of a saint, Roberto Bert Villanueva, Sulyap is actually a collection of 4 ancestral houses that were transferred here piece by piece from various provinces. Imagine playing Tetris using ancestral homes into one lot. Now that's dedication. And then they added a restaurant, a museum, a bed and breakfast, and an art gallery because apparently time travel comes with great hospitality. Okay, enough history. Let's talk about the real reason why we're here. Food. Glorious Filipino comfort food that makes you want to call your mom and say, "Ma, this place cooks sinigang better." The crispy pata, crunchier than my dating history. The kare-kare, so unusual and an identity crisis, but in a good way. And the cassava cake, moist, dense, sweet, just like my DMs, minus the emotional baggage. Mga kapasyalan, I think I accidentally walked into the 1800s. I ordered food and they gave me culture. I came here to eat, but now I adopted a Spanish-era ancestral home. The flavor of the food is lutong sinauna. That's how authentic they are. The vibe here? Well, think of your Lola, who was a fine art curator, who also knew how to host a killer garden party. That's the vibe here. You got a cozy romantic restaurant with wooden interiors that smells like nostalgia. Antique decor so authentic you might see a ghost politely offering you kape barako. A museum full of typewriters, old phones, and judgmental portraits. And a bed and breakfast that lets you sleep like a gobernadorcillo on vacation. And on that, watch out for my next video for this series. I'm going to show to you the house where we stayed for 2 nights. I like it so much that I didn't want to go home. If you love narrow wood, windows made of capiz, or dramatic staircases, then Sulyap is your aesthetic soulmate. So whether you are a history buff, foodie, a budol-prone traveler, or someone looking for an IG-worthy spot with good vibes and better ulam, Sulyap Gallery Café hits every mark. It's a museum, a restaurant, a B&B, and a time capsule wrapped in banana leaves and love. And oh, and I should mention, they have a beautiful garden. So next time you're in Laguna, don't just pass through, Sulyap mo muna ito. Like this video, subscribe for more pasyalan, and comment your favorite Filipino dish that deserves a spotlight. Till next time, stay hungry, stay curious, don't forget, respect the crispy pata always. Have you been?